Hello students, in the previous video we have already discussed the two methods of solving the simultaneous linear equations. So in this video we are going to discuss the third method, that is known as method of cross multiplication. So suppose these are the two simultaneous equations. Here a1 is the coefficient of x, b1 is the coefficient of y, c1 is the constant term, and a2 coefficient of x, b2 is coefficient of y, and c2 is the constant term in the second equation. And first of all, whenever you have to solve the question by method of cross multiplication, your right side should always be 0. Means you are supposed to shift x, y and the constant term towards left hand side. Then you have to learn this formula. You have to learn the formula for x, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 over a1 a2 minus a2 a1. For y, you have to learn this formula, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 over a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So from here you will calculate the value of a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. Then you will put all the values in these two formulas and we can calculate the value of x and y which we are supposed to calculate. So let us discuss the exercise now. So let us discuss the first question of the exercise 6c. This is the statement, 4x plus 3y equal to 17. Shift 17 towards left side, so sign will be minus. Then the coefficient of x is the value of a1, coefficient of y with sign is the value of b1, and the constant term with sign is the value of c1. So c1 will be minus 17, a1 is 4, b1 is 3. Similarly, in the second equation also, coefficient of x 3, so a2 is 3. Coefficient of y is minus 4, b2 is minus 4. The constant term is plus 6, so c2 is 6. Then you have to learn this formula, x b1 c2 minus b2 c1 over a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Put the values of these, all the values, variables. So here we can put here and then we can solve it. After solving we are getting x is equal to 22. Similarly, the formula of y is c1 a2 minus c2 a1 over a1 b2 minus b2 a1. Put the value of a1 b1 c1 c2, okay, and after putting we are getting here, after solving it we are getting y equal to 3. So the main thing is you should learn this formula and this formula, then you can solve the question easily. All the questions are simple and easy. So I have selected the last question. You can see here, root 2x minus root 3y equal to 0, root 5x plus root 2y equal to 2. So here what is a1? Root 2, that is the coefficient of x, b1 is minus root 3, that is coefficient of y, and there is no constant term, so let it will be 0. Similarly, right hand side also, a2 b2 is root 2 and c2 is 0. So here again you have to learn that formula, you have to write the formula, then you can put the values. After putting the values, 0 minus 0 divided by something, you know 0 divided by something is always 0. So x is 0. Similarly we can apply the formula of y, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 over a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Put all the values again. We are getting numerator is 0, so 0 divided by something is always 0. So there the value of x is also 0 and y is also 0. Come to fourth exercise. Now in the fourth exercise you are free to do the questions by any method. You can solve the questions by method of substitution, by equating coefficient, method of substitution, by elimination, okay, and that method of cross multiplication. Any method you can choose, you are free. So first question is 9 over x minus 4 over y equal to 8, 13 over x plus 7y equal to 101. You can solve this question directly also, or you can go for substitution also. So you will put 1 by x equal to a, 1 over y equal to b. So you will get the simplest equation. Then I have solved this question by method of elimination by equating coefficients. So here we can multiply with 13 and here we can multiply with 9. After multiplying we are getting these two equations. Then we can subtract them. In order, when we will subtract, so this y, it will cancel. You can see here a, 117a minus 52b equal to 104. 117a and this. Then here is the positive sign. So its opposite sign is minus. This is also minus, then minus. Then positive and negative cancel. Minus 52 minus 63, it is minus 115. Plus 104 minus 909, that is minus 805. So minus sign cancel. So b will be 7. So you can calculate the value of a also. You can see here. We will put in equation number 1 and we can calculate a. A will be 4. Now we know a is 4, b is 7. But what is a? In the beginning we have supposed that you can see here in the beginning a will be 1 by x. So here also in place of a you will write 1 by x equal to 4 and then you will find x. Similarly, b is 1 by y. You can rearrange it and find the value of y. So y is 1 by 7. So you can solve the question by substitution. You can put any variable or you can do the direct elimination also. Come to fifth question. Fifth question also it is similar to the first question. First of all you will put 1 by x equal to a, 1 over y equal to b. You will get the two equations and then this equation is multiplied by 3, this by 2, and then we can solve it by method of elimination by equating coefficients, and we can calculate the value of b and a, and in the end we will find x and y. But in the question they ask you to find a when y equal to ax plus 3. So what you will do? You can see here after finding the value of x and y, we have this equation is given. Here you will put the value of y 1 by 3 and x 1 by 2, and then you will take LCM and solve it, and in the end you will get the value of a minus 16 by 3. So here it's a simple question. Find x and y, put the value in the end, and you will calculate the unknown variable a. Come to sixth question. This is the sixth question. There also we will go for substitution. So 1 by 3x plus 4 it is a, 1 by 3x minus 2y it is b. So your equation is reducible to that 34a plus 15b equal to 5, and here you will get 25b minus 8.50a equal to 4.5. Here the decimals are there. First of all you have to remove the decimal and then you will take LCM, and then you will just make it simple, divide by 5, and this is the second equation. This is the first equation, this is the second. If you will multiply this equation by 2, you are getting minus 34a. So you will multiply it by 2. So minus 34a plus 100b equal to 18. Then you can see here is minus 34 and here is plus 34. It means we have to simply add the equations. Add 1 and this one. This equation. So after addition this a will cancel. We are getting b 1 by 5. B is getting 1 by 5. Then you will put in equation number 1 and then you will calculate the value of a. So a will be 1 by 17. And then after finding the value of b and a, what you will do? You are supposed to put the value. You can see here. This is a, this is b, and then you can put the value of a. A is 1 by 3x plus 4y and b is 1 over 3x minus 2y. Then cross multiply, we will get the equation number 3, and here we will get the equation number 4. Again we have to solve these equation by again elimination method, and you can see here we can simply subtract them and x will cancel. We are getting value of y 2, and then put value of y in either in third and fourth, and you will find the value of x. So this is a way to solve the question whenever we have to do some substitutions in the question. So question number 7, second part. This is a statement. So this we can go for simple elimination method by equating coefficient. So this you will multiply by 2 because their first coefficient is 2x. So after multiplying by 2 we have to subtract them. So 2x plus 2y equal to 14xy. 2x minus 3y equal to minus xy. So here you have to change the sign. Here minus plus plus. Then it will cancel. Plus 2 and plus 3. It is plus 5. 14xy plus xy plus 15xy. So then from here you will find the value of x. Then put in equation number 1 and you will find the value of y. So like this we can solve this question. Come to question number 8. Here the question is little bit different. It is in the terms of 4 variables a, b, x and y. This is the first equation, this is the second. In order to make same coefficient, this equation you have to multiply with, here b square is extra, so you have to multiply this equation by b square, first equation. After multiplying we are getting the equation number 3. Then you have to subtract these two equations. You can see here we can subtract them. This will cancel. Here both is added together, and this is a square plus b square minus 0, that remains a square plus b square. So here you will take b upon y common. This is also a square plus b square. Shift this toward right side. So we are getting b over y equal to 1. So what is value of b? B is y. It means y will be 2. So this value of y you have to put in equation number 1, and then you will calculate the value of x. You can see here we have put the value in the first equation. So b will cancel with v and shift 1 towards right side. A over x is equal to 1. A will be equal to x. So x is a and y is b. I hope you get the idea how to solve the equations. Okay. So we have discussed the cross multiplication method and the typical question of the fourth exercise. So in the next video we will discuss the word problems based on the simultaneous equations. Thank you very much.